Hello, this video shows you how to make oshi-zushi or pressed sushi. To make smoked salmon oshi-zushi, we use 125 grams of vinegared rice, 40 grams of smoked salmon and some chives for garnish. We use oshi-zushi mold included in Yarubei sushi making kit. First, weigh out 125 grams of vinegared rice. Wet your hands and grab some rice. Form the rice into a cylinder and put onto the scale. You can memorize the shape of the rice so you can get an accurate amount of rice quickly next time. Wrap the lids of the oshi-zushi mold in cling film and wet the other parts of the mold with water. Put the side and bottom of the mold together and put the weighed rice in there. Press the lid down firmly onto the rice using both hands. Get some smoked salmon and spread evenly over the surface of the rice. Press the sushi firmly with the lid once again. Now you can cut the sushi with a sharp knife using a slit on the side of the mold. Alternatively, you can cut the sushi into different sizes after taking the sushi out from the mold. To do this, first remove the bottom part of the mold and then push the sushi out from the box using the lid. Wrap the sushi with cling film and cut it with a wet knife. Firstly, cut the sushi in half and then cut each half into 3. Remove the cling film carefully. Garnish with some chives. Now serve the oshi-zushi and enjoy!